Hi guys, so in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this and this with the same process. So first of all, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So of course you want to get your head wrap set or your gele set, and you want to have your hair all packed up or all covered up. And I'm going to be using two rubber bands for this process. Remember, it's the same process, and I'm using it to create two different styles. And of course you want to have your pin, your safety pin handy. So this is just about the width of the head wrap I'm going to be making use of, and this is the length. First, you want to divide your head wrap into equal halves all the way from the width part. You want to divide it because the head wrap is very wide, and you want to have that reduced. So if you have your hair not made, you want to divide it in half. However, if you've had your made hair if you've had your hair all made, yeah, braids and everything looking all fancy, you want to have that into half. But if you didn't, you want to leave that in full because you want to pin the back. So you can see I just created a little bit of pleats. Let's say 3 4 will be fine. And you want to meet it both, like both hands of the head wrap, to the center of your face. You can see it's equal half. So the dimension for this is 50 50, 50 on the left, 50 on the right. So of course you want to have your head wrap all styled. You want to have your pleats all neat and well arranged. Now you want to turn it, like you want to give it a twist just right at the center of your face. You can always use the middle of your nose as a way to determine that. And I'm just going to pin it at the middle. I am pinning it at the middle because I'm just the one holding it, so this would make it super easy for me to handle both fingers. So you can also try out this method. So I'm taking the first hand, I'm going to squeeze it, and I'm going to fold it. So I'm just going to leave you to watch this, as it's going to be super explanatory by watching it. Remember, you want to try it while you're watching it. You want to watch it first, then you will watch it and you try it out. Okay, so as you watch it, of course it gets very simpler with time. So this is actually the part where I use the rubber band to grip. I make use of the rubber band, so I use it to grip the bent portion. So you remember that other part that we kept for later, just because I'm just the one doing the head wrap myself? Yes, you want to bring that out, and you want to give it one fancy star, which I'm going to be showing here in this video. So just watch very closely on how to achieve it. If you miss this part, you need to rewind. So just watch it very closely. You see how I'm pinning it. Watch the areas I'm pinning properly, because if you don't pin those particular areas, your head wrap would not come out the way it came out in this video. So you just watch it. I'm doing the same thing with this other hand, but in a much more fancy way, to give it another fancy style. So just watch. Like, guys, you see how beautiful it came out? It came out like a little rose there. Like, someone will even think you attached it extra. So you can see I pinned the smaller rose to the back just to hide the rubber band, and you can see it's not even visible. Here you want to just style your head wrap, because styling is where the beauty is. You want to style it, you want to put on your earrings, make sure you've already had your makeup done. Like, this would literally get people's heads turning. This head wrap will literally have people's head turning around just for you. And of course, you want to put on your beautiful fancy dress, and you can see I'm just wearing my earring to pop out the styling. And you want to always push your head wrap towards your hairline so that it brings your face out and it looks super super fancy. So here's the finished touch. You can see it. This is the whole thing. So if you've had your hair, like you had your braids, you want to bring it all down and arrange it all neatly. And of course, if you did not have braids, you want to pin it at the back. So now this is how we get the second part. Now we're going to start taking out the pins gradually, but you're not going to try to mess up the whole star. So you want to take out the pins gradually from the two parts of the larger fan look side. So now we're going to bring that other one just to style it like this smaller flower we put in front. So you want to spread it out and you want to style it. You want to make sure that the two flowers are looking like super identical and looking all cute in front. And of course, you want to have that pinned. So at this point, you want to pin the two roses to the side just so that it stands super, and of course it's facing the people who are ready to admire it. So you're going to pin both sides down with your pin. So now for this particular one, you want to have the middle all extra pinned up so that it is super tight and well gripped. And this is the final look. Like, it's super giving. This is the front view, and this is how it looks. If you had your hair all braided out, then you want to let that fall out, and so that it can be super visible. Make sure to like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, comment where you're watching from, and I love you. Bye.